steel bed. He is armed with a knife, and he's in the middle of the courtyard.
A knife in the middle of the courtyard?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. He has a handgun as well. Not on him, possibly, but
okay.
It's possibly involved.
Okay. .221 on 1023. Sounds like he has a knife on him. Has possession of a handgun, but doesn't sound like it's on him. Hey, where'd you guys say he went? Sorry? Where'd you guys say he went to? You lost him?
The middle of the courtyard.
Yeah, he's not in the middle of the courtyard right now.
Oh, wow.
What does he look like?
He looks like a little bit like me. He is bald. He
okay.
has no facial hair, except very little facial hair. He has
about the same height as you.
The same height and same build. He's also a vet like I am. On this shoulder, I believe it is, he has a tattoo. That's it, yeah.
Okay.
And also he has ghost on.
What was he wearing?
He's wearing. What was he wearing?
A red shirt.
That's
a
it.
red Rockaware shirt and black jeans.
Black jeans
and yellow shoes.
Okay. Do you know where he lives?
He was living with me.
Is that him right there?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, hang on. I think he's just pointing his gun. He's got a gun. We get some 1078s. He's got a 1032 pointing at us. Drop the gun!
Shots fired.
Put your hands in the air! Put your hands in the air!
I heard you 11.
Keep your hands in the air!
Where is he?
He's got his hands up. Ma'am, you go that way. You go that way. Keep your hands where we can see them!
Do you have any other weapons on you? Keep your hands in the air. Keep them in the air. Don't move.
Do not move.
214 is around.
14.
We're waiting till we get more units.
Yep. Stay back here.
211 23 Raleigh, hold the channel.
Are you guys okay?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. He's got his hands up. Yep.
Is he hit?
I fired once and he went down, so I don't know.
Fired one,
He's been compliant since.
Alright, everyone on scene is 10-4. Let me know when you got more units on scene. We've got one at gunpoint.
So, stay there for just a second.
Where you at? I ain't got a call yet.
5210. Okay.
Don't move! Show me your hands!
Okay.
Use that Nissan for cover.
Get your hands up! Alright, do not move your hands. Do not. Keep your hands out in front of you and roll over on your stomach. Got the gun.
Alright, okay.
Getting a mess?
Yep. Seems secure for EMS. Have EMS step in.
Put his hand, put him
Get
in
it, yeah, get his cuffs on. Got male with one shot to the abdomen. Go ahead and put his hands behind his back.
Sir, we have EMS coming for you. Just listen to everything we're telling you, okay? Okay. Right, we got EMS coming for you.
You need a 1039 or 1040 response?
1040 right now. Everyone else 1040, but EMS.
1040,
No.
but EMS 1039.
Give me your hand.
Hands behind your back.
I got it. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, roll on your stomach.
All right, stay right there. Stay
EMS
right
is
there.
coming.
Yeah.
It didn't exit. Put him in cuffs.
Yeah.
T10 Raleigh.
How old are you?
Can you send me 2 units from each district?
Well, it's back pocket.
2 units from each district.
All right, don't roll over on that. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Sit up. All right, sit up if you need to. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up.
Oh, all right. I know. Next couple years.
325. Okay, we're going to start securing witnesses. Raleigh, can we get an off channel?
Oh,
Take off number speak. Off number speak.
where's my fiance?
I don't know.
I don't know, but we'll find her.
Yep.
What's her name?
Dana.
Okay. Make sure you have any other weapons on him.
Raleigh, put 310 and 320 out there, please.
What else in your pockets? Just cigarettes? Cigarettes and wallet? Anything else?
322 is checking in.
Stay with me.
I'm the last
Stay with me.
Yeah.
Come on.
Shot right up there, right upper abdomen, one shot.
I'm gonna go get my bed. We were here initially.
Yep.
Left our bed behind.
Yep.
I'll be right back with it.
All right.
Chris, anybody get hit?
Yeah, he's got one shot right upper abdomen. That's it.
Okay.